To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap the message icon at the bottom of the screen to open your direct messages. Now open the group chat where you want to create the poll. At the bottom of the chat screen, tap the plus icon next to the message box. From the menu that appears, tap on Poll. Now type the question you want to ask in the poll. After entering your question, you will see the Add Option field, where you can type your answer choice. Enter your first option. After entering one option, a new empty field will automatically appear below. Continue adding as many choices as you need. Once you are satisfied, tap Create Poll. And your poll will instantly appear in the chat. Everyone in the conversation can now tap an option to vote, and the results will update in real time automatically. If you tap on the poll, you can view the details. You can also add more options if needed. Then tap Submit. Your changes will then be saved, and the poll updates in the chat for everyone. If you long press the poll, you will see the option to unsend it. So that's how you can create a poll in Instagram chat.